It's his truck, sorry. So let's see what we can get. Are you catching a ride with us? Are you trying to tell me something there? Piss him off? I'd rather be pissed off than pissed off. Whoop, whoop. I think he deserves a guys like messing with him, huh? Alright guys, we got activity in my husband's truck again. We're on our way to Seymour. And we got the necrophonics going, and we got the K2 meter. Where is it? There it is. And it's spiking red. So far what we've got, I am a effing bitch. And they told us to get out of the effing truck, because this was their truck. It's his truck, sorry. So let's see what we can get. We got it going through the Bluetooth. Who am I speaking with? Are you catching a ride with us? Is this your truck?
That's right.
Who'd you piss off, babe? He said F. I'm not gonna say the word. Y'all can guess. How many are you? How many spirits are here? How many of you are there? Got a minute? I got plenty of minutes. What about you? Can you give me my husband's name? You said it before. E? You're close. What's his name? Did I hear Brooke? Brooke? You got a Brooke in here? Babe, are you trying to tell me something there?
It's a babbling brook.
We like doing these little videos. Kind of cool in this truck. Who's here with us? Give us a name. Give us your name. We know you know your name. That sounded like Bert. Excuse me, now is not the time to be looking at that crap.
Just pictures.
Yeah, we're talking.
Yeah, I'm listening. He said so.
You like looking at what Bert's got on his phone?
Nice, nice.
Good taste, my man. Good taste.
I'm not going to show that.
Dad, you.
Yeah, okay. She's got... Never mind.
Dad.
Right?
Dad, what would you like to say to the spirits that's haunting your truck?
You're doing fine. Just don't piss them off.
They called me the B word. Why should I not piss them
That's
off?
because you pissed them off.
I didn't piss them off. I'd rather be pissed off than pissed on. See, our...
Let me find if you start singing.
Can you sing this song? Yep. Well, who sang that song? Who was the artist of that? Who was the artist of that song? Another One Bites the Dust. Who was it? Did they really say Queen? Oh my God, they knew that song. They said Queen. You like that song?
Yep.
Good music, huh? Did you see the movie?
Some of them
Well, you never know. Did you see the movie Queen? Bohemian Rhapsody?
Hey, she almost got it right.
Almost.
Oh, cool, get over. They finally opened up the highway. Whoop, whoop. Help. So guys, what I'm gonna stop this for a minute. Don't shut up. What we're doing is we're heading down to Seymour, Indiana, to go visit the cemetery where the Reno brothers were buried. And then we're gonna go to the tree where they were hung. There's a tree down there that the Reno brothers were hung at. The townspeople took them out of jail, I think it was, out of jail, and took them and strung them up and hung their asses. So,
Hung the rest of them too.
yeah, okay, but smart ass. So we're gonna go look at that and see what we can get, but in the meantime, we're gonna be comical and talk to whoever is haunting my husband's truck. Us. Yep. Who's here with us?
Why are you here?
Why are you here? Is there something you would like to tell us? The hell?
It sounded like we're having a good time.
How long have you been in the truck with us? Were you here Were you here before we got the truck? You're not giving me straight answers. Are you afraid to talk to us? Yeah. I heard a yeah. You heard a no? Well, I think you guys need to get your crap together and talk to us. Nah.
Never did say why you were in my truck.
Why are you in my husband's truck? He wants to know. I think he deserves a answer. Why don't you guys give him an answer of why you guys are in his truck? Because it's fun. Nice. You guys like messing with him, huh? The female really likes you. They got the right idea. I don't know if y'all can see that out in the middle of nowhere. Oh, really? I'm the bee again. Are you going to go to the cemetery with us? You going to talk to us at the cemetery with the Reno brothers? Yeah. We'll have to review this back very carefully to see what that sentence said. Now that house there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that is a very large house in the middle of nowhere. Right? The barn is... Oh, I'm sorry, I quit talking to you. Yeah. Huh?
You understand what I'm doing? We're taking exit 50B.
Yeah.
Reading the laws.
Yeah. Yeah. What's the garbage down at the bottom of it?
Huh?
What's the garbage down at the bottom of it?
Exactly that. Hey, Chloe.
Got it?
Ha, ha, ha.
Are you still here with us? Who's singing? Do you hear the music? Who is it? You know what? I forgot. My stand. Yeah, I forgot my stand. Why don't you guys go back to my house and get my stand?